So here is how we can type and print document on the iPhone. So let me explain it and guide you through it practically step by step. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we need to get started right now. So okay, the first important part is that we need to have an app, like a software, to make that work. And by default, you might already have one, which is very good, and it's called Pages by Apple. So I would just recommend you to look up Pages on your iPhone and see if you have it available. This is a text editor made by Apple, freely available, and if you don't have it yet on the iPhone, you can just download it from the App Store. Just look up the Pages into the search and you will be able to get it for free and use it for the purposes of creating documents. So the point is that if you have it, just click on open and we can start working with our file. So this is going to be the page you see, and you have the ability to either choose a template, which is going to give you the ability to work with some prepared templates and layouts, which you can just fill out and edit. But if you want to start with a blank document and work on it on your own, click on start writing below. It's gonna create a blank document. You can change the font, thickness, size, whatever, but you basically just type your document, right? So you can see that I can type in hello, whatever, right, as such, and we can format it to be bold or change some settings, depends on how you want to have it. So let me just, for example, I want to have this to be the title, right? And perhaps even bump up the size of this and perhaps make it look bigger. The point is that you work with the file until you are happy about it. And now that you are done with it, if you want to print it out, all you have to do is just to click on the three dots in the top right and click on print. Right, so you can see the print selection appears. We have the ability to choose the printer if it's available. Make sure it's turned on and that it has the wireless features enabled, so we can actually connect to it. And then you just set up the copies, how many you want, the paper size, if you want to be the A4 or US letter or whatever, right? And then you just confirm it with here in the button, which would work if we were connected to a printer, and you would have the document printed out. So that's how you can do this. And of course, if you don't want to do it right away, just click on the three dots and at first export it either as PDF or Word and save it to your Files app somewhere, right? So you can have a copy of this stored, and then you'll be able to print it anytime you want in the future. So that is also a good option. So let me know if you managed to do it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads as well.